The ship gathers momentum. Acceleration creates overload. The Cosmos navigators feel that their weight is increasing. A leaden heaviness presses them against their cots and paralyzes mobility. The ship tears through atmospheric resistance at a speed double that of an artillery shell. The first carrier has used up all its fuel. It will be returned to Earth by radio control. Automatic devices gradually steer the ship into the given orbit. The speed is increasing, 6 kilometers per second. It's hard on the navigators. The Earth seems to have strained all its forces to bring back the runaways. The second carrier falls off. The ship goes up by inertia and approaches the required altitude. The third motor goes into action. The ship attains orbital speed. The motor has stopped, and the ship is now in free flight, having become a celestial body. It is hurtling around the Earth in the airless space at an altitude of more than 1,000 kilometers.